Hey everyone, it's Mixed Up Blended again, and today we're going to be opening another subscription box. We have the lovely Mara and the lovely Lyric as my assistants today. Mara, what do we have?
We have the Mickey Monthly. It's a theme park.
Theme Park Edition. All right, girls, show us what's inside.
Okay. So the first thing that comes out is a bunch of this Easter stuff, and then that, and then oh, okay. This is a big bag that, oh my god, it's Magic Kingdom.
Woo-hoo.
And then we have a Mickey Mouse pen. We have some playing cards. They are Walt Disney World. That's it.
Yay! What do you like, Lyric? What's your favorite? The playing cards?
And I want to play them right now. Baby, look. They're the ones like Bubba has. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye.